Feeling stuck? You're not lazy. You're just running outdated code. Most people try to fix stuck by forcing motivation. They scroll, hype, journal, or self-love their way through fog, but still stall out. Why? Because motivation isn't a mood. It's a mechanic. And if your system is running Ascend Corp's Level 1, reaction-based energy, there's not enough structure to carry momentum. The real move is activating Unity Tack, your task-to-spirit framework. That's AC to UT. From reactive hustle, AC to aligned construction UT. Once you know how to reframe stuckness into signal, you stop waiting for clarity and start upgrading your system response. Here's how it works. AC, Ascend Corps, is your starter engine. It's instinctive, emotional, reactive. It gets you moving, yes, but it also burns out fast. When stuck hits, AC tries to push harder or shut down. Neither one helps you move. UT, Unity Tack, is the upgraded system. It turns any state, even fatigue or apathy, into raw supply for progress. UT works with structure, purpose, timing, and precision. It tracks micro-wins, not moods. Let's install one quick UT reframe. Instead of, "Why do I feel stuck?" ask, "What system loop am I in right now, and where can I restore motion?" Here's a 3-step AC to UT move. 1. Find the fixed point. What is the smallest action you can complete now to signal forward movement? Example: write one sentence, send one message, drink one glass of water. Action cut stall. 2. Frame it in mission. Why does it matter in context? Connect the task to something bigger. A clean inbox isn't productivity. It's signal clarity for your greater assignment. Third track completion, not motivation. UT doesn't need to feel right. It needs to land. So finish the task, log it, reward the data, not the mood. Stuck isn't a flaw, it's a flag. It points to the next upgrade. Learn how to activate Unity Tack in any moment. Move smarter, not harder. Learn more at https://ascendcores.com.